One of the ways to add media to your Mylio Photos library is by adding a linked folder. This adds the contents of that folder to your Mylio Photos library without moving it from that location. It also lets Mylio Photos watch that folder, so any new media you add to that location will be automatically added to your Mylio Photos library. Let me show you how. I'm going to go here into Mylio Photos and click the Add Media icon up here in the upper right. We'll choose Add Media from this device, and then locate the folder of images that we want to add. I'm going to scroll down to an external hard drive and choose this 2021 folder and select Open. Now we have the option to link, copy, or move this folder. And in this instance, I want to link them because I want to leave them in that location, but I want Mylio to know where they are. So we'll choose Link Them, confirm the destination there, and select Link Now. Mylio Photos will begin adding those images into the library, and I'll be able to browse them here shortly.